Oh, well, here we are next morning. Let's see what happened over the course of the evening and making sure that it's cool enough to touch. So I'm going to take, if you look in, you could see that the pieces are just settled nicely. Nothing had been disturbed where they were placed. They just settled in a way that works for not breaking them. And oh, look at that. We have this one here that's come out. Look at that. That's very nice. So I'm going to bring this one. I will do it for each one of these pieces, but I'll just show this one. I'm going to bring it over to this water here, which is the basin that I mentioned, and I will take some water from it. And it's cool enough to do this, so the contrast between the cold water and the vessel is not a problem because it's not hot enough to do any cracking. I waited long enough. So it looks like a number of those, the experiment with the salt. This was the one that had, and I'm going to lightly brush off these things. This one with the salt had a oxide, blue oxide on one side and plain on the other, which I suspect was this side. And this was wrapped in a salt towel of sorts. And as you can see from the inside and the outside, it has a very interesting effect, which works well with the texture of the piece. So I'm very pleased with this one, and I will now proceed to look at the others.